Alright, I am going to show you how to use Avatar Maker Online, and you're going to use this one to make your avatar if you do not have access to a cell phone and the Bitmoji app. So when you are looking at the directions on the Google slide, it'll say click on the icon below. If you click on this icon, it's going to take you to this screen. When you get to this screen, you're going to click Add to Chrome. It's going to ask you if you want to add Avatar Maker Online to Chrome. You're going to click Add Extension, and then it's going to automatically add it to your Chromebook extension. So in order to access any Chromebook extensions that you have, you're going to go to this icon right here, and then it'll show you everything that you have downloaded from your Chrome store or anything that's automatically there. So we would want to select Avatar Maker Online. So just like this, it'll create this, and you will begin to start, or you'll have options to start making your avatar. So you would click one of these to get started.